Okay, we're gonna paint these beautiful berries. If you're a member of Enjoying Art, now you can come to our learning center to view the full video. When you come to enjoyingart.com goodies, you can download the references that are used in the latest lessons. Let's do a little quick drawing study with the watercolor. Let's take a look. I'm gonna also make this one a little bit higher, this one a little bit lower, like that. So I'm gonna put this right here. I'm going to wet the whole background. I'm gonna start from the top over here. Coming in and coming in, or like this, coming up. And obviously have lots of yellow, so let's take lots of yellow from here. Here we go. Even more. I'm gonna take the yellow color. That's good. I'm gonna start from yellow mixed with a little red. Okay, I'm gonna put this color right here. Have a little green, but I'm gonna get a little bit red into here. I'm gonna put it here first, right there. Yeah, don't change it. And adding the wet color in, look at the whole composition. I'm gonna have a little bit green color coming over here. I'm gonna put that under here. And here you go. Now I'm gonna have this over here a little bit darker, like that. Even more important, okay, like over here, it will be a little bit darker. I'm gonna get a little bit red color, a little bit dark color right here, coming down. Bring the color down a little bit softer, and get a little bit more yellow, and coming over here. Here you go. Now it has some water. Now connect that color into this space. Okay, now I'm gonna come back over here, do a little lifting. So just the brush, like a half dry. I'm gonna start lifting over here for the light side of the branch. Okay, lift it up a little bit, lift it up a little bit. Okay, that's good. And take a look at over here. We're gonna have a lighter shape. Just lift it up. Okay, now a little bit yellow shape over here. Now first I'm gonna lift this. Now after we lift it, we're going to take the yellow color. Quite a bit of yellow. Just take it. Take the yellow color and start over here. Now push that in. Okay, now change that a little bit red at the end. Now continue from the red over here. A little bit more like. Now this is good. I'm gonna take a little red color and have a little bit green and connect it coming down. That side a little bit darker and darker coming down. You see the color at the same time, you need to see the value. It's very crucial. Okay, coming up over here. Okay, that's good. Open up that a little bit. That's good. Now the color start changing to a little bit more yellow, a little bit lighter. Okay, now this color come up over here. Now I'm gonna change the color to a little bit more yellow now. Okay, start a little yellow on the side over here. Here you go, like that. Here you go, coming to the side over here. Now let this wet into wet merge together. Okay, now this is good. I can have the same color in the inside over here. And we're also probably also going to do the some white into wet with some watercolor, and have a little brown, a little purple, make it a little bit darker right here. You see that? That's the edge over here, and coming in this space. I know it's still wet, but the white in the wet may be just perfect, having some softness in the shadow side. Okay, like that. And here you go, coming in over here. There we go, that's good. Now inside over here, also a little bit dark color as well, like this. I'm gonna have this color coming in the inside. Just looking for shapes. Don't even think about it's a berry. You know it's a berry, but you don't have to think about it. If you think about it, and you distract you. All right, now I'm going to change my attention to the next one. Now over here is look a little bit softer. Okay, that's just good. Now I'm going to have the red color and have the Winsor blue red shade. Now here you go. Have a little bit. Start from a little red before we take this color. So take a little, just a little red. And here you go. I'm going to have a little bit blue. Now, here we go. Coming down over here. Look as you paint. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to have a little bit more red from the other berry. More red over here. Now, put the red color in here. Now start over here. Here we go. Coming around over here. That's good. Coming over here. That's nice shape. And I'm gonna have a little bit of a purpleness feeling. So I'm gonna get Winsor blue red shade and get a little red, make it a little bit darker. Now here we go. This shape. Like this. Now we have the chance to come back to readjusting it. Now I'm going to have a little bit darker color right in the middle over here. Right here. Here you go. Let's see. That's good. Now take a look around. That's good. Seeing the inside over here like that. Now we're going to put some dot on the berry. I'm going to take the red and the blue color together and just use the tip of this brush, and let's see. Okay, 1, 2. Let's take a look. That is still wet. You don't want to tap on. We can come back a little bit later. Okay, just tap on it. Okay. That's a little bit shape. Okay, like that. And, ooh, it came to life. Now I come back to add a little detail to finish this. And a little bit darker on this side. Just get a little red and a blue. A little bit over here is the shadow of the top over here. And then take a look over here. And we're also going to have a little brown color and a little yellow orange. That's should be good on the tip over here, like that. And after you dry, I'll come back to have a little shadow side and get a little red around here. That's also very close to us. That's good, like that. And also on the outside, I'm going to add a little bit darker color to remove that white shape. Okay, here you go. Right over here. Like that. That's good. Okay. And I'm gonna have a little bit, lift up a little bit and have this a little bit smoother. Okay, perfect. Perfect like that. Okay. And now is the good time to add a little darker and adjust the shadow. Add just a little bit. Very shape, small shape, a little bit clear. Now that's good. Maybe the edge over here could have a little bit orange color coming down like this, connecting into the stem. And maybe on this side have a little bit brown color on here, like that. And a little bit red color coming from here and connected. But don't make it too clear. I'm going to get a little yellow color like this. And here you go, right here. Now a little wet into wet with the new color. Okay, I think it's way too much. Now I'm going to make this softer. Too clear. Like that. Okay, and the outside over here. Now I'm going to shade it and the outside, make this berry pop up even more by having the outside over here a little bit darker, like that.